Join us as we explore Charlecote Park. Based in Warwick, it's a Victoria home set in a landscaped deer park. The Tudor house, with Victorian extensions and interiors, are home to the Lucy family for 9 centuries. So no dogs are allowed in the actual house, which is fair enough, and you get allotted times, so an allotted ticket to go into the house. But I just follow the red route, and the dogs can do the woodland walk. So Matt's going to go in the house, and I'm going to take Ted for a walk. That's the gatehouse. Oh, looks like the thatch roof has had issues.
A little hobbit house.
It's cute, isn't it? Obviously there's been a leak, but it's lovely. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at the door.
Lovely inside. It's all like paneling.
Look, the detail. Got woodworm as well.
That will
That's lovely. So, we found lovely little
You've
tea
got that
room.
one there, or you've got the country kitchen that side.
This is cute. Absolutely stunning. As we go, obviously on the river, deer in the background.
And there's me.
There's some lunatic.
Here again.
There's some lunatic. This is the back of the house. These stunning gardens. And as we pan round. Sorry?
So you've got them there.
Yeah.
You've got them over
Yeah,
there.
there is a lot of deer.
You've got them all there.
Yeah.
And then all over there behind them trees. And then we've got that lot walking through over there.
Yeah.
There is hundreds.
Boys.
Ted.
Teddy.
Ted.
Oh, you handsome boy. This is a National Trust site, so adult entry is £13. Children it's £6.50. Obviously, if you are a member, then the access is free. The house is open between 10:30 and 2:30 by time ticket only. Beautiful bridge going over. So at that point, I'm not allowed over the bridge with Ted because of the volume of deer. Well, we're just going to carry on walking. Matt's gone into the house. So lovely. This is the house from the side. Elevation. And again, I mean, it's lovely. So much woodland to walk. And these are both, well, there's 4 in here, and they're late 19th century carts. Apart from this buggy one, this is a big one. Nicely kept. That's where the hay and that would have gone. And these original stable block.
It's a proper stagecoach,
Yeah.
a wagonette.
So this is late 19th century. A wagonette with the top removed, the most versatile carriage for a large country establishment. I mean, come on. They're in good condition, aren't they?
Yeah.
Like they've been looked after.
Yeah.
This is the brew house. There's the vat. Wow. That's mad, isn't it? Look at them old beams.
Yeah. The sag in the floor. Right,
Look at the size of that vat.